one just basically, this is going over the results of the track build for my 2012 Corvette Grand Sport. I took it to Limerock and bone stock, and it handled like crap, and it was very dangerous. A lot of weight transfer side to side, front to rear. It was just horrible. Caught me out a couple times, even though I was driving very gentle on the brakes, very gentle on the gas, and it still snapped out on me a couple times. So I only did minor modifications. I did shocks, I did sway bars, I did spring perch, polyurethane spring perches, and I did transmission mounts. And I also did Willwood brakes because the brakes were atrocious to stock cast 6 pistons. So I did a Willwood Aero 6 race version, and they were absolutely fantastic. So you'll see the results. At the end, I'm going to do a recap. This is not a dedicated track car. This is a street track car with just a street track alignment, not even a full alignment. And I'm going way faster than cars that get towed to the track on full race tires, full coilovers, the whole works, that are not streetable. So the results are amazing. I hope you enjoyed the video. At the end, I'll do a recap. I'll talk to you soon. So now you saw the video. Basically, I took off almost 2 seconds a lap with just those minor modifications. So I'm not even near my $30,000 budget, and the car is already a beast, and it's basically taking on track cars, full-blown track cars. They get towed to the track, and I'm either keeping up with them or faster. That BMW that I was up against is a full-blown track car, and he's an instructor and does probably 20, 30 track days a year. And if you notice, he's fast as hell through the turns. He doesn't make any mistakes whatsoever, and his car only weighs 2,800 pounds. He's got a full roll cage. It's fully gutted. It's fully everything. And mine is a street car that I drove to the track. And by the end of the session, I was getting used to the car because it's the only first time in the car since I built it, and put the modifications. So slowly but surely, I was building up every lap, pushing it further and further to see how far I can go until I was faster than that guy. So, and if you notice, we were out, and then we had to come in because a car broke down on the track, and then he was ahead of me, and then I was directly back of him, and he took off like a bat out of hell when they let us back on the track, because he saw how fast I was getting, and he didn't want me to be near him, so he tried to just bolt. So I saw him bolt, so I bolted too, and just gave it all, and followed him, and kept getting faster and faster and faster, until I was faster than him and passed him. So, all in all, a complete 100% success. Very, very minor modifications. It just goes to show how good these C5, C6, and C7s are with modifications. Naturally, they're street cars, so they can't make them track cars right out of the box. So they have to make concessions, making them a little soft, and I guess that's why the car did not handle. Plus, it's 10 years old. So just a couple of minor modifications. These Corvettes are amazing. Great weight distribution, great handling, just an amazing, amazing car. And like I said, few modifications to fix that little handling problems. Car was a beast. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and like, and you'll be seeing a lot more videos coming out soon. Thank you, and you have a good one. I'll talk to you soon. This is the lap charts prior to modifications, and as you could see, ran in 103, 104s, 103.4 being the fastest, and basically I couldn't really get near below 103 4s. So this pretty much tells it all. So everything was identical. I didn't do anything else to the car except the modifications I'm showing you in this video. Now, this is the new lap chart, and you could see I consistently run in the 101s, 102s. So it was basically a 2-second improvement in lap times due to just those minor modifications. And there's going to be more. I will be into the 1-minute flats to 1-minute and ones next year once I change the seats. Do a couple of little things that'll keep you informed of. And I'm pretty sure that that car is going to be much faster. So, like I said, big improvement from going from 103, 104s to 101, 102s. And I'm going to highlight all of the fast laps. And the fastest lap I did was a 101.59.